So I'm in college and I really try to get great grades, and I'm gonna share my study hacks with you guys. Time management is probably the most important thing, and using Google Calendar has really helped me stay on top of everything. If you guys use Canvas for your school, click on the calendar tab, and in the bottom right, you'll see calendar feed. Go ahead and copy that link and go back to your Google Calendar, and at the bottom of other calendars, you'll see that plus sign. Go ahead and paste that link, and your Canvas calendar will link to your personal calendar, and you'll never miss an assignment again. Tip 3 is use a physical planner. This is where I keep track of my to-do list, and I plan out my days to keep myself accountable for the things I said I was gonna do. A reason I love Google Calendar is because you can set a location of your event and even put notifications to make sure you leave on time. Keeping your binder and backpack organized is key. Tip 5 is use flashcards. I use them for all of my classes, and it's a super great learning and study tool. During lecture, don't focus too much on note-taking because you can always take detailed notes when you're studying later. Plus, retaking notes is a great way to study. Lastly, make sure you have a folder for every class and you have a copy of your syllabus.
Yeah. Hey. Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. My words float on the sand. My thoughts swimming around. Yeah. Wait for the drop of the sand. Yeah. Hey. My words float on the sand. My words float on the sand. My words float on the sand. I'm just having fun with the sun 'cause I could. Started making beats now.